Have you been arrested for drunk driving? Are you being charged with DUI, DWI, or OUI? Regardless of what you refer to it as, drunk driving is a serious charge and can have a tremendous impact on your reputation, your family, and your career. If charged, you could be facing severe consequences. Not to worry, we're here to help. We're the local DUI attorneys that will guide you through the entire process while explaining your legal options and preparing a relentless defense. We'll utilize aggressive and creative legal solutions to defend you and help you to avoid the maximum penalties associated with your charge. Time is of the essence if you've been charged with drunk driving, so pick up the phone immediately. Give us a call today so we can quickly evaluate your case, discuss your options, and help you to develop a winning defense strategy.